Listen, today we got to lock in, talk about all the Pandabuy news, all the Pandabuy updates. You know, I'm here, I'm sincere. Maybe a little bit. Things do seem to be moving in a bit of a normal direction. Now, normal is pretty subjective. Right now, we are in the nuclear winter, bro. And listen, bro, you see those boots down here? Y'all see the boots, bro? They're Balenciaga. It's cold out here. I actually got taller, bro. What the fuck? I'm wearing the coat, I'm wearing the ski boots because we're in the nuclear winter, bro. The nuke in China, it dropped. Everybody is frantically looking around for a new place to go, a new place to shop. As much as I want to wait it out. Listen, you see these t-shirts right here? This is like a Michael Jackson tour t-shirt. Trent, bro, hit me up. We got to do a deal. Trent, I fuck with you, bro. Free promo for Trent any day of the week. I don't care. Listen, I need my Trent t-shirts, bro. I'm ordering these by like the dozens. I love these t-shirts. They're oversized. They're basic, they're nice, they fit good, I love them. So over the past month, I have been testing new agents, trying out new things. Everybody's been asking, who can I go to, where can I shop, all this sort of stuff, because some people want to buy t-shirts like me, you know? And don't buy counterfeit goods, all right? Don't do that. Reps are for fucking losers. Don't buy them. But listen, because I want to buy my little Trent t-shirts, I've been going to CN Fans. They want to do a big giveaway. Now, I've used CN Fans a little bit. I just got in my first haul. It was pretty good experience. Right now, things are a little bit slower because everybody is trying to switch from agents. Everybody's going to new agents. So like things are taking a little bit longer than expected, but they are hiring a bunch of new people, so things do speed up. I can say the service is pretty good. Listen, if you want to use them, you don't want to use them, you don't have to. But if you're looking for an agent, they're giving out some free shipping, some free coupons. You can go down, enter the giveaway. They're giving out a bunch of free money. And going back to the whole Pandabuy drama, listen, bro, every week there is something new, and then it immediately gets disproven. I don't know what's going on, bro. This shit is fucking ridiculous. It's refonkulous. Is that a word? We're using it. I don't care. Apparently, this like Reddit post was a quote unquote huge update. Everybody was fucking thinking that they dropped the bomb. But I will say the CEO's name, this guy right here, Chen Hua, it's not true. The guy, we all know it's Jim Su. We can, you know, hashtag free Jim Su down in the comments, bro. We know this. So apparently this was all just fake information. This guy made up a whole fucking story for no reason. This guy probably is writing fan fictions in his house about Pandabuy workers. Now, I've been told that there is actually some hard evidence of what's going on, like actual like court documents, but you cannot put court documents online. Apparently leaking those documents would kind of fuck up the case or something. I don't know. That's all I heard. I wish I could share a bunch of crazy stuff with you guys, but of course, a lot of that stuff is locked up. You cannot find public records of anything in China. It's only really word of mouth, and word of mouth can be misconstrued or can be translated differently. So really, you just gotta wait and see. I know it's annoying to wait, you know. We're currently in that period of Endgame where Thanos snapped his fingers and the people that were still there are just waiting for the people to return. One day Pandabuy will snap back into existence, but for right now, I don't know. Apparently, word on the street from the other agents that Pandabuy managers and staff and people are actually sending emails to other agents saying like, oh, how does your business work? How is Pandabuy different from Sugar Goo? Apparently, from what they're saying, they're trying to sell them out or try to like lessen their sentence from stitching out other people. That's all I'm hearing. And I kind of told you guys that they're going to do anything in their power to save their own ass. I already told you guys this like 4 times. I can't confirm that. I don't know. I'm just saying that's what I hear. You know, I hear a lot of rumors. A lot of people come to me. They say, oh, I heard this. I saw this update. Talk about this. And then the next day it gets disproven. So I can't really like, I can't make an update about it because the next day is proven wrong, and I don't want everyone to be like, oh, well, you said this. So you can see somebody posted it on the Pandabuy subreddit, and one of the employees said, this is absolutely fake news. I can assure you that our CEO's last name is Su. By the way, these fake news are so low, which is true. All right, why, if this is actually fake, why the fuck are you spending so much time making a fake news article, putting out plaintiffs, defendants, witnesses, legal team? I've never even seen them list witnesses on something like that. That's crazy. And of course, clapback of the century. Okay, do you have some true news instead? No, they don't. All right, listen, they're not going to tell us a thing. What I know for a fucking fact is that they are waiting on the CEO. This whole delay, this whole investigation, everything stems from the CEO himself. Once the CEO gets out, the investigation is over, they can return. Until then, they're not going to do a thing. They're not going to say a thing because they're not going to do anything because they know that there's people like me in my position who will report on some news and say something and they're wrong. And that's why you're seeing people like Gilly get so much fucking hate on TikTok because he'll make a video and then a couple days later, it turns out that that was like not really the truth. So people are coming after Gilly saying, oh, you're fucking lying to promote Sugar Goo. You're doing this, you're doing that. When in all reality, bro is just he's telling you what he's being told. You guys want to know updates. He's getting told updates and he wants to share it with you. I understand. Me, Gilly, everyone, we're in a position where we should do more research and we should make sure everything is 100% facts. But in a time like this, we can't double check. We can't cross-reference. Nobody will fucking talk to us. Listen, words of advice. Put a little bubble right here. Time heals all wounds. All right. hopefully everybody that is with some money in limbo, me, myself included, you can get your money back, because, you know, we all bought hauls, we all bought stuff, and if we don't get it back, man, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. I want my money. Put it in my pocket, bro. Like, Jim Sue, I thought we were boys, bro. Let me get my money. I'm sweating, bro. It's summertime. I'm wearing this shit. But listen, if you need stuff, that's why I'm talking about this. I understand the frustration. We got the opium people running Pandabuy right now. Every time they drop a new date, it gets pushed back or it doesn't happen. Every time they say they're gonna drop or come back, they just say, oh, we'll be back soon. Like, what the fuck does soon mean, bro? Is this like whole lot of red soon? Because I don't want to wait 3 years for my package, bro. By the time my package comes in, everything's gonna be fucking out of style. I'm sweating my ass off, bro. I can feel my ass hair stinking up with shit. This has been a quick update video. I'm working on some bigger high production videos in the background, so I know a lot of people are like, oh, bring back the old CDAS. Maybe he'll come back. Maybe he will. Maybe if you like the video right now, I'll drop some old CDAS-esque videos, maybe a couple re-uploads from back in the day. Who knows, bro? I'm gonna remake that Sneakerella video pretty soon because I cannot find the OG file for that, but I'm gonna tap back into my roots. Everything's kind of going back to normal. I'm gonna just tap back into my roots, make some OG content, some fun stuff, so get ready for that. I love you guys. Like the video. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.